Welcome back. It is April. It is National Home Inspection Month. So what that means is we want you to meet our team and we want to meet your team. So this is about the agents and meeting you guys and building those relationships, sales meetings, open houses, events. We want to be there at all of those. So reach out to us. We'd love to come out and meet you guys and do whatever we can for you.
We would love for us to come to your office. You can come to our office. We can teach a class on whatever it is that you want, or we can just bring food. We do guarantee that we give at least $100 away in gifts and prizes. And if you don't know Drew, he usually tells some pretty good jokes too.
That's right.
Cool. Natural born comedian, I guess.
We bring the good energy for sure.
Please reach out to us. We'd love to work with you if we're not already. And if we are working with you, we'd love to just strengthen that connection.
Absolutely.